Mizo Students Union issues warning to Manipur Chief Minister. In an emergency meeting held this evening, 19th February, at the General Headquarters of the Mizo Students Union, MSU, a stern warning was issued to Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh. The MSU responded to Singh's statement on 13th February, where he allegedly planned to deport all members of the Zo ethnic group who entered Manipur after 1961. The MSU declared that if the Chief Minister proceeds with this plan, they will take steps to send off all Meiteis currently residing in Mizoram. The union claimed to possess detailed information, including names, employment details, and addresses of all Meiteis inside Mizoram. It is noteworthy that a day after Singh's announcement, experts expressed skepticism about the practicality of identifying and deporting individuals who entered Manipur after 1961. They emphasized that while identifying illegal immigrants is a positive step, deportation could be challenging unless the foreign countries involved recognize them as bona fide citizens. The ethnic strife in the northeastern state, particularly since May last year, has heightened tensions. The government has accused a section of immigrants from neighboring Myanmar of contributing to the unrest. Singh reiterated his stance during the launch of Project Bunyad on Monday, asserting that anyone who entered and settled in the state after 1961, irrespective of castes and communities, would be identified and deported. This move follows the Manipur Cabinet's approval in June 2022 to adopt 1961 as the base year for determining the native status of state residents for the effective implementation of the Inner Line Permit. Addressing concerns about deportation, experts emphasized that for the process to be successful, the foreign countries involved must recognize the immigrants as their bona fide citizens. The statement questioned the feasibility of deportation if the foreign country does not acknowledge the individuals as citizens.